If you're searching for a good burger on the go, there's no better spot than this food truck. Lori Wallace is checking out what's new in the neighborhood. You even messed up your name. I was drooling.
And it just... It happens to be in our neighborhood, so I know you guys are happy. They're right out back outside the studio here. Richie's House-Made Burgers. This is the food truck. This is Monique and Richard here. Okay, so I love the story behind this because this is a little COVID baby for you.
Yes, definitely. We started during COVID, and it just picked up very quickly. We've been at a lot of local breweries, and I couldn't be more happy with the success in the past year.
And I couldn't be more happy that you wore that hat today because
Yes.
it's really perfect and goes with the theme. So you've been doing burgers, you've been around food your whole life. These are not small hamburgers or cheeseburgers here.
Oh no, they're definitely not. We grind everything in-house, so it's 100% brisket cut beef. It's a little less than half a pound, and we use a lot of local produce, so we partner with a lot of local farms just to get the freshest ingredients. And the burgers are actually very big. We do not get any complaints about the size.
Yeah, I was going to say, there's a couple guys in studio there that will not complain about the size of those burgers. And Monique, this has been a fun adventure for you too.
Yes,
and the funny part is you are a vegetarian.
Yes, I don't eat meat, so when he opened the business, I was like, hey, you have to have a hamburger on there that's vegetarian because I dislike going places where I can't eat. So we came up with the portobello mushroom sandwich, which is like our burger for the vegetarians. So I definitely recommend you coming out and trying it if you are a vegetarian.
Yeah, I was thinking of Courtney, you guys, when I booked this segment because I thought, you know, I do the burgers and Courtney's always like, oh, there's really nothing for me. But this menu has a little bit of something for everyone. And you guys are all over the place. So you've hit all different locations here in Sacramento. People can find you everywhere, but also you'll do private parties too.
Oh yes, we are open to birthday parties, caterings. We're at a lot of local breweries. This Thursday we're going to be at Sac Yard. And over the weekend, we're going to be at Track 7 on Saturday and Sunday as well. I believe Friday we're at Two Ciders River. It's a little cider place in South Sacramento. But yeah, just a lot of local breweries. And you can find us on Instagram, and we post all of our schedule on there.
Yeah, and I know during the pandemic and really starting a business during the pandemic, there's a lot of challenges that come along with that. But you've had so much support from the community.
Oh yeah, definitely. I feel like once COVID came around, the community kind of supported small businesses, and they've definitely come out to support me.
Okay, well, I'm a really good friend, and I'm not going to eat all of those burgers. I'm saving one for Stefan here because this is our first time working together. The rest are coming inside. So 9 o'clock,
Yes.
I'll pop inside. Also, 9 o'clock hour, want to talk a little bit more about the menu because it's not just burgers. They have a lot of other things as well and some really popular menu items that I think will also spark your interest, people in the studio. I know earlier today we talked about exciting vegetables, or what was it, John?
Yeah, cabbage and bell
what
peppers.
were they? Exciting vegetables?
Two most exciting
Yes,
ones, yeah.
this is far more exciting.
Yeah.
Far more exciting than what we were talking about earlier.
Now, Lori,
Richie's, you can follow them on Instagram. Do that in the meantime. What's up, Code?
That was a fabulous live shot. That was absolutely great. You showed off the stuff. You did the whole thing. In the next hour, if you could try on his hats while doing the segment, I really think it's Emmy Award worthy.
The hat is so good.
It is a good hat.
The hat is just so good. I did not tell him to wear that. That was all his doing.
I'm just saying, if you want an Emmy, you got to put the hat on. All right, thank you so much, Lori. We appreciate you.